Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2013 Ram 5500. Has right under 170,000 miles on it. Cummins powered truck, 4-wheel drive, 11-foot IMT service body, 7500 series IMT crane with a 22-foot 2-stage hydraulic extension, 7,500 pound maximum lifting capacity. The goal of these videos is to go around the entire truck and show you everything you'd want to see if you were here looking at it in person. We'll go inside of every bin underneath the truck. I'll point out any cosmetic imperfections I see. Towards the second half of the video, we'll do a cold start, a drive, and an equipment demonstration on it. And if you have any questions or need any additional photos, videos, or information on this truck, feel free to call or text us anytime at 804-716-8487. This is all that we buy and sell. So if you're looking for something similar or a little bit different, just let me know. Some rock chips here along the back corner of the cab. Some scratches down here on the bottom side of the door. And on that bottom rocker panel there as well. One thing to note, I do have a new factory seat bottom. On the way in, it should be here in a couple days, so that will be on the truck at the time of sale. Power locks, power windows, cruise control, 4-wheel drive, factory exhaust brake, a little bit of wear here on the center console as well. So besides this, which will be addressed, pretty clean interior. That's just some dirt and whatnot from climbing in and out of there. Small scratch right there. Does have an aftermarket front bumper here. It's a big ranch hand style bumper. Looks like it is a ranch hand. I'm not exactly sure what brand it is, but that's what it looks like. That's obviously in good shape. Steer tires are not new, but they have pretty good wear. A lot of remaining life left on them. Scratches right here. All the service body bin floors are solid. Got a little bit of surface rust here on the frame rails. It's really not terrible, but definitely not completely dry or rust free. Underneath, let me climb up over here, see if I can get up in there. Gives you a pretty good idea of it. Again, if you need any more close-up pictures or videos, you can always contact us and I can send those over. The body's been sandblasted and repainted, just the exterior of it. We have a few lights we have to put back in as well on the body. They take those out obviously when they paint it, so it shows like new. All All the doors close, latch and lock as they should. This is your tall torch compartment here. They also take those gas shocks off, so I'll go through and make sure that they're all on and that they work as they should. You have shelving in this compartment here. Really nice premium aftermarket wood shelf there. Extra fancy. All the doors are keyed the same way. All the locks work. We have 3 sets of keys, I believe, for this truck. A little bit of surface rust. Some of the back door seams. It's just along this seam here. Pretty common area on these IMTs to see rust. Matching drives on the back. Also not new, but pretty decent tread on those. A little spot down here. That's just from this right here. Factory remote, joystick style. Again, we'll run through the crane and compressor later. This is what I'm getting for hours. The chassis hours on there are not accurate, and they never seem to be. The compressor and crane generally are pretty close to accurate. Again, it's a 2-stage hydraulic extension out to 22 feet. You have hydraulic outriggers on both sides. This side extends as well. Very clean. Workbench rear bumper there. Working vise. Factory tow hitch receiver. Factory tie downs in the bed. Obviously new bed liner applied to the back here. The top of the bumper and the steps. So for being a 2013 with 170 on it, the truck really does show really well. It helps to have the bed refinished, of course. Some more shelves on this side. Another one of those wood shelves there. Ideally, you'd have a set of drawers in this compartment. We can quote a set of drawers if you'd like, but this would be the spot to put them right here. I can't get to the bed tag because they put that up there. But I assume this bed and crane has always been on this truck. Manufacture date on the compressor is a 13, crane as well. So that's about it for the cosmetic portion. We'll get into a cold start, a crane and compressor demo, and a drive. Again, if you have any questions, it's 804-716-8487. Thanks so much. Truck has tons of power, shifts nice and tight. It does have those more, I don't know, mud terrain type of tread pattern on the tires, so not as smooth as, you know, a highway tread, but doesn't feel too bumpy. Steering feels tight. That just needs a little lubrication there, or it's bent. It's hitting that front. That is crazy quick. There is some lighting on the truck as well. There's one work light off the rear. There's an LED light strip in this compartment. No lighting in the center compartment. 2 pod lights in the torch compartment. Obviously you have the strobe on top. One work light on the front. 2 pod lights in this compartment, just like the other side. And all those lights are controlled off that rear control panel. Need a cap for that, blowing out. It's a wireless dual joystick remote. Then you have the open hook design up here, so I can throw the crane all the way up, let that winch out, and it'll drop that right down. Obviously, depending on where you have the joystick there, you can do multiple functions at once if you have it up in a corner. Takes a minute to get used to, but it's a pretty good design once you're used to running it. Extremely quick operation there. Again, it's 22 feet max extension. Dual stage hydraulic. Get over to this side here. No slop in the rotation gear. Crane cable's in good shape. Main lift cylinder, just repacked, and obviously that's in good shape as well. Winch is nice and quick. Retract this in now. Just wanted to say thanks again for watching. Again, this one is a 2013 Ram 5500, four-wheel drive with an IMT Dominator bed, just under 170,000 miles. Cummins powered truck, 7,500 pound crane, IMT compressor. Really nicely set up truck. If you have any questions at all, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. As you can see, this is all that we buy and sell. If you're looking for something similar, give us a shout. We have plenty of new trucks that come in on a daily and weekly basis, and we'd love to help you find a mechanic's truck that would work for you. Thanks again for watching.